This is a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson in high speed. The title of the lesson is, Differentiate the head from the chest while rolling fists. By the way, if you'd like to do the lesson right now, or watch the gist, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's watch the lesson quickly. Lie on your back, please. You may stand knees if you like. Simply roll the head left and right and feel it. Extend both arms to sides at almost 90 degrees from the torso. Feel how your shoulder blades touch the floor. Feel which part of the hands touch the floor, which parts do not. Feel which part of the head touch the floor. Is it exactly the center between left and right ears? Rest, please. Now, make fists with both hands. Thumbs are not inside of fingers. Keep the fists soft. Do not make strong grip. Start rolling fists up and return to the starting position. Pay attention to the direction of palms. Which joints are involved with this movement? Fingers, thumbs, wrists, elbows, and, of course, shoulders. Look up when palms roll up, as if to look over the head. Now, roll fists down and return to the starting position. Do they roll more to the down, or up? Pay attention to the direction of palms. Look down when they roll down, as if to look at the stomach. Now roll fists up and down continuously. Do not intentionally look up or down. Now, let it happen if it happens. Pay attention when you go through the starting position of palms. Do not stop there but just be aware of it. Rest with arms down by your sides. Roll the head to the left and return a few times. Pay attention to the spine, neck area, thoracic area, lumbar area. Now to the right a few times. Pay attention to the chest bone. Chest bone lies at the center of the chest from the bottom of the neck to the top of stomach. Does it roll with the head? Feel the difference between left and right. Rest. Now to the right and left continuously a few times. Pay attention to the direction of nose. Does it simply go left and right, or does it go down? Pay attention to the chest bone. Again, does it roll left and right along with the head? The movement of chest differs depending upon the movement of the head. Feel it. Feel the difference between left and right. Rest. Make fist with both hands as we did before. Extend to sides. This time, roll them to the opposite direction. So, right fist roll down while left rolls up. Like this. Do it a few times. Pay attention to the head. Which direction does the head want to look? To the palm, up or down? How about the chest bone? Does it go along with the head? Rest, please. We moved arms, chest, and head so far, and watched their relationship in movements. Now, let us differentiate the movements. That means each part of the body may go opposite direction. Once again, extend arms to sides and make fists. Roll them to the opposite direction a few times. Feel that your head looks to the fist rolling upward. Stop rolling fists when the right fist rolls uppermost. Arms and fists stay there. Now look left with the head and return to the right a few times. You may feel this awkward. Feel how the chest bone moves. Now roll chest bone as if to look left as the head looks left with the chest. Do this a few times. This should make head feel easy. Now roll chest bone as if to look right as the head looks left. Do this a few times, so the head and the chest move opposite. Now simply look left and right. Is it easier now? Does the chest move without intentionally doing so? Rest. Start rolling fists and stop when the left fist rolls uppermost. Arms and fists stay there. Now look right with the head and return to the left a few times. Now roll chest bone as if to look right as the head looks right with the chest. Do this a few times. Now roll chest bone as if to look left as the head looks right. Do this a few times, so the head and the chest move opposite. Now simply look left and right. Is it easier now? Rest. Once again, extend arms to sides and make fists. Roll them to the opposite direction a few times. Now return the palms upward toward ceiling. Simply roll the head left and right. This movement is more smooth now.